Good afternoon, Kip Ujima. It's so great to see you again. I'm Miss Aldana, and this week we are going to learn a little bit about art and activism and how they come together in fashion.
Hi again. Did I scare you? Okay. So we are going to be looking at some artists that use t-shirts as a way to call attention to social concern. So this week we are going to be looking at the life of Ahmaud Arbery. He was a 25-year-old. Um, we believe today is his birthday, May 8th. He would have been 26. And about 2 months ago, on February 23rd, in Georgia, in Brunswick, Georgia, he was shot and killed for running in a white neighborhood. He was a Black man. He was into jogging a lot. He was an athlete. He loved boxing. And his high school coach um, decided to create a campaign called I Run with Maud, MAUD, which was short for Ahmaud, so that there would be more attention called to the shooting of an unarmed Black man. Unfortunately, there's a lot of video out there about his mother saying that she got no help. She was ignored for 6, 7 weeks and couldn't get anybody to hear her story. So now there's been a lot of protests this week. People are using social distancing and masks to go around the state capitol and really push for law enforcement to do right by this young man's life and his family. So this week we're going to be looking at how we can participate in activism, and I want your thoughts about what is activism exactly. So just tell me what you think that is, and then we're going to explore this very important issue. At the end, we're going to be using art to design your own t-shirt. So if you don't have a t-shirt that you can manipulate, that's okay. You can use a white piece of paper, and if you can find a large piece of paper, you're going to make a protest sign. So a protest is going to be calling attention to something. And in assignment 2, we learned a little bit how graphic design uses a lot of color, or a little bit of color, uses shapes to convey a message. So we're going to be taking those skills and we're going to be using that to write the message of our choice on a t-shirt. Okay, so I'll see you back here, and let's take a look at some t-shirts that are some of my favorites that a lot of activists have used to call attention to a message.